Welcome back to HL Graphics. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of 3D text manipulation using Illustrator's powerful blend tool. Get ready to add depth and dimension to your designs like never before. Let's start our work. The font I have used here is 100% commercial free.
Name is Ash.
First things first, let's set up our text, align it, and center it on our canvas. This step is crucial for laying the foundation of our 3D design. Let's get started. Next, let's increase the size of our text and convert it into an object by creating outlines. This will give us more control over our design elements as we dive deeper into the 3D effects. Let's go ahead and make those adjustments. Let's add some color to our text. I've chosen a light green for this demonstration. Now we will group both the top and bottom taxes. Now, we'll navigate to Edit and extract one copy of the text. Then repeat the process to create another duplicate. This step ensures we have 2 copies to work with as we progress. Let's proceed with these adjustments. Check the Layers panel. Set the top layer aside and we'll work on the other 2 layers. We will change the color of the second layer to dark green and the color of the bottom layer will be yellowish green. You can see both layers. For the last layer, which is currently yellow, let's significantly reduce its size. This adjustment will add depth and visual interest to our design. Let's proceed by scaling down this layer. Let's merge the second and third layers together. Then click on the object. At the bottom, you'll find an option labeled Blend. Click on it, and a menu will appear. Look for the Make option and select it. This step will initiate the blending process between our layers. Let's continue by clicking Make. Now, select the Blend option again and click on Blending Options. Choose Specified Steps and input 100. Once you've completed this step, you'll notice an immediate transformation in the appearance of the text. A stylish 3D effect will emerge, adding depth and dimension to our design. Let's proceed by adjusting the specified steps to 100. The first layer that we placed on the side will be lifted and placed on top of this text effect. Go to the Layers panel and select the last yellow layer, and move it up and down, back and forth, and make your text beautiful.
Surprise, surprise!
You are dead! Not a big surprise!
Now another copy is at the top of the image. Go into Transparency will reduce the opacity a bit. And go to Blending mode and make up changes so that you have a beautiful look in front of you. Now we're going to take another layer that we're going to turn into a stroke. The stroke is perfectly shiny and you will see the edges of the image glowing. Just your work is done. Your image is ready. Take it to Photoshop.
You are dead! Not a big surprise!
Here is a beautiful t-shirt to paste your design on. If you like my work, then you must like, share and subscribe to my channel.